Hi mga kabayan! Welcome to Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. Pasyal tayo mga kabayan. This is me, my husband, sister-in-law, and her friend. And that's me. Yeah, and me and my husband here just showing you the area. Yan, as you can see, mahangin dito. Now, let's pass through the bridge. So, every time pupunta kami dito sa Golden Gate Bridge, I remember the movie scene from Sana Maulit Muli. Yun yung movie ni Lea Salonga and Aga Mulak. So, on that scene, pinasyal ni Lea si Aga sa Golden Gate Bridge and then kinuwento niya yung purpose ng bridge and how it connects the two islands. Parang ganun yung dialogue ni Lea doon. I couldn't remember the exact words, pero ang sabi ni Aga doon, may ganyan din naman tayo sa Pilipinas yung San Juanico Bridge. So, tama nga naman siya. Meron din tayong mahahabang bridges sa Pilipinas and the San Juanico Bridge, diba kinoconnect din niya ang two islands which is ang Samar and ang Leyte. You know, makes sense. Pero syempre, ibang lugar naman to. Diba? So, yeah, I'm just sharing you how it looks like. And kung hindi ka pa nakarating, this video is for you. And by the way, yung Sana Maulit Muli, that's one of my favorite Filipino love story movie of all time. Ang ganda talaga niya. So, thank you everyone for watching my short vlog. This is Reika in America. So, yeah. Malapit na tayo sa dulo ng bridge at matatapos na tong video. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Have a good day. Have a blessed life.